Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa aqalwe ukuthi aqalise iinyawo kelamaNgisi esigodlweni seBuckingham eBritain evakatjhweni lakhe lombuso. Uyokuphekelelwa ngukosikazi wakhe uTshepo Motsepe. Inarha United Kingdom kungenye yeenarha ezinobudlelwano obuqakathekileko nenarha yekhethu le. Abomengameli baphambili balapha ekhethu ubaba uNelson Mandela, uThabo Mbeki kunye noJacob Zuma nabo ke bavakatshela eBritain.
Isigodle Buckingham siqinisekisile ukuthi uMengameli Ramaphosa wamukela isimemo senkosi yamaNgisi uKing Charles III evakatjhweni lombuso ngosiNyikhaba. Leli lizokubangela lokuthoma solo inkosi yamaNgisi ithethe isikhundla sokubusa endlovukazini uQueen Elizabeth II okhotheme ngenyanga epheleleko.
We feel very honored and privileged that King Charles III has maintained the diary that the Queen had set in place. The late Queen, may her soul rest in peace. She had invited President Ramaphosa to pay a state visit in November. And while we were at the funeral, we were informed that there is an intention to ensure that that state visit happens.
Kanti ngeziphathelene neLatin America iSouth Africa inethemba lokuthi ikhetho leBrazil lizokuletha umthumbo ofaneleko. Umengameli uJair Bolsonaro uyokujamelana nomengameli waphambilini uLula da Silva inyanga le. Kanti ngezinye zenitshabachaba iPitori ithi sesenethemba lokuthi kuzokuba nesisombululo esinokuthula empini yeRussia neUkraine ngemumva kokuthi iRussia ithumba imphande ezine zeUkraine.
We've always said we hope for peace and we hope for negotiation and settlement of any issues that both countries have a great concern about.
Ngezisanda kwenzeka ngezokuthunjwa kwesibili kwelawulo lamajoni eBurkina Faso kanti uphando ulihlabile isahlelo leWagadugu. Nakusenjalo inarha engimakhelwane iLesotho ilungiselela ukubamba ikhetho lenarha zombelele kanti iSouth Africa ithemba ukuthi kuzokuba likhetho elinemphumela yaneliswa wonke umuntu. iLesotho yokubamba ikhetho ngelesihlanu kanti leli kuzokubangela ibudisikhulu kunawo wonke.